Guys, Richard at Orange Campers, and unlike the weather, we've got a beautiful camper van to show you. It's a bit windy today and it's just started raining, but look at this. This is the micro camper and stunning van. It's a new shape one. I think, is this a brand new one? This is a brand new one, just delivery miles on there. So it's got the new front end, the new dash inside, much more modern as well. On the outside we've got an awning rail with a built-in light. Now you can have an awning wind out, but it just pushes you up a little bit higher. So to keep the height down, the awning rail works really well, and you can slide any driveway in there as well. Let's get inside out of this wind. This customer has gone for the gas-free option, or gasless option as you may want to call it. So there's no big cooker straight away, as you notice, but there's a lot of workspace, which is really nice. Plus you get a bigger sink as well. Just push that chair forward, you get a bigger sink, it's a squarer sink, and but all this clear worktop. Now what I do is I use a portable induction hob, a single ring, 2-ring, hot plate version. There's so many variants you can get, but it allows you to plug it straight in and you can cook whatever you wish. The second advantage over that is you've got a plug socket down here on the floor near the sliding door. So then you can take it outside and use it as a barbecue. So not only have you got, you know, flexibility of inside or outside for the same appliance. Also on this van, you notice there's a microwave option. So we've got a Dometic microwave in there. You can have a food cupboard there as well. Well, this will have an EcoFlow. There's different makes out there. You can have Jackery and all the other types, which essentially they're a power bank in a box with an inverter built in. So you put that in the cupboard somewhere at the back, or in the wardrobe. We put a locating a socket in there so you can interact it or integrate it to your van. So straight away you turn that on, all these sockets become live, and that makes it so you can be fully off grid. Now you can charge that unit as well while you're driving. The solar can charge it as well. So and you can still, when you get to a campsite, you can still hook up on mains, and you know, that'll charge the EcoFlow back up for when you want to be off grid. So if you notice in this van, straight away, I've got a bit more head height. And that's because, I mean, look at that extra head height in a small micro camper type van. That's really generous. Now, normally, across here, you would have the roof bed. Now, because this customer has no intention of sleeping up there, or not very often anyway, they decided to have the tent so they can stand up the roof bed, the pop top, so they can stand up, use it as they would normally. But it really creates a lot of headroom whilst in the back. So if you're really tall, that's a great idea. Now, you can still have a roof bed. You know, it's not a case of, oh, I can never have a roof bed again, but you can. There's a couple of different systems we can put in. We can put a plank system in, so you can use it occasionally. And if it's once a year, what we find is, if it's only once a year you think you're ever going to use it, if the grandkids come away with you or something, or somebody comes away, you know, you can have a removable system, and all year round you benefit from the extra head height, which is really nice. And plus you can have a driveway awning, things like that. You know, these one rooms are great. They really do open your van space up. So we've got much more head height. As you can see in here, it feels very spacious. It really does. We've got a Dometic fridge. So we started using the Dometic fridge, and that's a really nice unit. 50 litre fridge, and that's a compressor type fridge. So that works off your battery, and it just constantly runs. The beauty of that is you turn it on when you set off, you turn it off when you get back. I leave mine often on all the time. So this customer has gone for the lithium upgrade. So we've got a 300 amp lithium battery, which in a van this size is tremendous, because it really lets you forget, have I got enough power? You know you have, and you can rest assured, and it makes you feel more relaxed. That combined with a 270 watt solar panel on the roof really gives you that confidence to be off grid whenever you need to be off grid. And as you can see, the colour is fjord green. I think that's how I pronounce it. I always struggle with my colours. So lovely accent colour there. And again, you can choose that yourself and make it fully bespoke to what you like. But you can see it's such a nice, light, airy feel to it. Really nice, really useful. The accent colour is a cashmere. I know that one because we use that one a lot. So that's a really nice colour. And you can two-tone options. You can split the wardrobe, split your kitchen and so on. Underneath a microwave, we've got a portable toilet. So because the bed only comes to this section where Jess is sat with her feet into a fridge, you can get into your fridge while your bed's made. You can get your portable toilet out and pop it here at night time, so you can still use that. Now when we look in the front, we've got a single seat conversion on this one, so straight away it opens the van up, it really does. So if you're traveling with dogs even, we can put D-links in the floor so you can tie them down. We put often D-links on the outside so you can hook them on and have peace of mind that they're not going to run away if you see another dog like mine would. So in the front here, you can tell it's a new shaped vehicle. This has got the dash cam. So it's a digital rear view mirror and dash cam combined. It does front and rear cameras, which is really good. And it's touchscreen, you can move it around. Very nice unit. I've got one of those in mine. That works well. And yes, you can see it's all the new digital display. You can change your different options, what you see in the center. You can change your displays, and you can pay your phone, so you've got live maps from Google and so on. And notice this one, no gear stick. It's automatic. A lovely way to drive one of these little vans. It really is. Very simple. You've got full automatic feature there. You've got cruise control and electric folding mirrors when you lock the doors. So very useful, very nice to drive. I drive one of these. You know, we've got a demonstrator in exactly this model. You can take it for a test drive. You can even use the try before you buy hire system. So you can take it away and try it and really see if it works for you. That's a great service to use. So if you like what you see and you want some more information, why not visit our website and book in for a workshop tour.